Hello everyone and welcome to M. Taylor's Money Making and Marketing Sense channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many aspiring creators dream about: earning money from YouTube in just 6 months. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for video creation into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps you need to take to monetize your channel effectively. We'll cover everything from choosing the right niche and creating engaging content to understanding YouTube's monetization policies and leveraging social media for growth. Our goal is to equip you with practical strategies that can and will accelerate your journey to financial success on this platform. And if you're enjoying this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with others that you think might get value from this content. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to boost your existing channel, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow along with tips that can help you start earning money faster than you might think. Get ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube monetization and take your first steps toward financial freedom. Understanding YouTube monetization. To kick things off, let's break down the basics of YouTube monetization and what you need to know to get started. The YouTube Partner Program is your gateway to earning money on the platform, but there are some specific eligibility requirements you must meet. First and foremost, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. This milestone is crucial because it demonstrates that your content is engaging and that viewers are interested in what you have to say. Once you qualify for the partner program, you can tap into various revenue streams. These include ad revenue, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos, channel membership that allows fans to support you directly, and merchandise shelf options to sell your products. Additionally, you can explore sponsorship and affiliate marketing as ways to boost your income. Understanding these fundamentals will set you on the right path to monetizing your channel effectively and maximizing your earning potential on YouTube. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche for your YouTube channel is a crucial step toward building a successful platform. Start by encouraging yourself to identify your passions and interests. What topics excite you? What hobbies do you enjoy sharing with others? When you create content around something you love, it not only keeps you motivated, but also resonates with your audience. Next, it's essential to research trending topics and audience demand within various niches. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube search bar to see what people are actively searching for. This will help you find a balance between your interests and what viewers want to watch. Remember, niche specificity is key to attracting a dedicated audience. Instead of trying to cover everything, focus on a specific area where you can establish yourself as an authority. This targeted approach will help you build a loyal community that values your content. By choosing the right niche, you set the foundation for growth and monetization on your YouTube journey. Creating quality content. Producing high quality videos is essential for standing out on YouTube and attracting viewers. First and foremost, investing in good equipment can significantly enhance your video and audio quality. Clear visuals and crisp sound make a lasting impression and keep viewers engaged. You don't need to break the bank. Even entry-level cameras and microphones can elevate your content. Next, consider scripting and planning your videos. This preparation helps you stay focused and ensure that you deliver good, clear, and valuable information interestingly and engagingly. A well-structured video keeps viewers interested and encourages them to watch until the end, increasing your watch time and boosting your channel's performance. Lastly, consistency is key, so planning to have and keep a regular upload schedule helps to establish and keep the anticipation level up among your audience. Whether you choose to post weekly or bi-weekly, sticking to your plans fosters loyalty and keeps viewers coming back for more. By prioritizing quality, planning your content, and maintaining consistency, you'll create a strong foundation for your YouTube channel that attracts and retains a dedicated audience. Optimizing your video for SEO. To enhance your video's visibility on YouTube, optimizing them for search engine is crucial. Start with keyword research, which helps you identify the terms and phrases your targeted audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles and descriptions to improve your chances of appearing in search results. A well crafted title not only attracts viewers but also signals to YouTube's algorithm what your content is about. Next, don't underestimate the power of engaging thumbnails and tags. Thumbnails are the first impressions viewers have of your videos, so make them eye catching and relevant. Tags help categorize your content, making it easier for YouTube to recommend your videos to the right audience. Finally, focus on audience retention and engagement metrics. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching, so aim to create content that captivates your audience from start to finish. Encourage likes, comments, and shares to boost engagement by optimizing your videos effectively. You'll increase your chances of reaching a wider audience and growing your channel. Promoting your channel. Effectively promoting your YouTube channel is essential for growth and visibility. One of the simplest yet most powerful strategies is to share your videos on social media platforms. Utilize Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to reach a more comprehensive audience. Tailor your content and videos to each platform, using engaging captions and relevant hashtags to attract viewers. Another effective strategy is finding others in your niche to collaborate with on your videos and content. Partnering with creators in your niche can introduce your channel to their audience, allowing you to tap into new viewers who may be interested in your content. Collaborations can take many forms, from guest appearances to joint projects, and they often lead to mutual growth. Lastly, engaging with your viewers is crucial. Respond to comments on your videos and participate in community posts to foster a sense of connection. This interaction not only builds loyalty but also encourages viewers to share your content. By implementing these strategies, you will create a strong promotional foundation that helps your channel thrive and attracts a dedicated audience. Analyzing performance metrics. Understanding how to analyze your channel's performance is vital for ongoing growth and success on YouTube. YouTube Analytics is an invaluable tool that provides insights into how your videos are performing. By regularly checking your analytics, you can track key metrics that reveal what's working and what needs improvement. One of the most important metrics to focus on is watch time. This indicates how long viewers are staying engaged with your content. Higher watch time often leads to better rankings in search results and recommendations. Additionally, pay attention to your click through rates, which show how effectively your thumbnails and titles attract viewers. A low CTR may suggest that you need to improve your video presentation. Encourage yourself to adjust your strategies based on the performance data you gather. If certain topics or formats are performing better than others, consider creating more content in that vein. By leveraging YouTube Analytics, you can make informed decisions that enhance your channel's growth and help you connect more effectively with your audience. Exploring additional revenue streams. Diversifying your income on YouTube is essential for maximizing your earning potential. While ad revenue is a common source of income, there are several other avenues you can explore. One popular option is affiliate marketing, where you can promote products or services to earn a commission for every sale made through your unique links. This can be a great way to monetize your content while providing value to your audience. Sponsored content is another lucrative opportunity. Brands often seek collaboration with creators to promote their products, providing you with compensation in exchange for featuring their offerings in your videos. This not only boosts your income, but can also enhance your credibility if you choose partnerships that align with your values. Additionally, consider merchandise sales as a way to connect with your audience. Selling branded items can create a sense of community and loyalty among your viewers. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and Memberful also allow fans to support you directly in exchange for exclusive content. Lastly, creating online courses or memberships can provide valuable educational content while generating consistent revenue. By exploring these diverse revenue streams, you can build a more sustainable income on YouTube. In this video, we've covered essential strategies for earning money on YouTube within 6 months. We began by discussing the importance of choosing the right niche. emphasizing that aligning your passion with audience demand is key to attracting viewers. We then explored the significance of creating high quality content, highlighting the need for good equipment, planning, and consistency in uploads. Next, we delved into optimizing your video for SEO, stressing the importance of keyword research, engaging thumbnail, and audience retention metrics. We also discussed effective promoting strategies, including leveraging social media, collaborating with other creators, and engaging with your audience. Finally, we explored additional revenue streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and online courses. Remember, dedication and consistency are crucial to achieving success on this platform. Take actionable steps toward monetizing your channel today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring YouTubers like you. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.